Volvo installs air purifying devices in school buses with #BreatheFree as a part of its #BreatheFree initiative. Volvo Cars collaborated with Persapien to create and install a device in school buses which would reduce the PM2.5, turning it into moving air purifiers. Aiming to help create a sustainable future, Volvo mobilized school buses as a symbol of children being the agents of change and future leaders. Upcoming Tata Altroz awarded 5 stars in Global NCAP Adult Safety Rating. Tata Altroz has received a 5-star adult safety rating from Global NCAP, a global car assessment program, cementing its position as the safest India-made hatchback. We would like to encourage all other car manufacturers in India to follow Tata's example and bring affordable 5-star cars to Indian consumers, said President. Global NCAP. Tata Altroz is launching on January 22, 2020. Jaguar developing shape-shifting seat that makes body think it's walking. Jaguar Land Rover is working on a shape-shifting seat system designed to prevent health risks caused by sitting down for too long by simulating walking feeling. The system uses a series of actuators in the seat to create micro-adjustments to make the brain think the person is walking. The morphable seat could be tailored to suit each driver and passenger. Segway's wheelchair-like vehicle crashes into wall during first public demo. Segway's transportation pod that resembles an egg-shaped wheelchair crashed into a wall during the first public demonstration of the prototype. That cost an estimated multi-million dollars in development. The journalist at Say, who accidentally accelerated the S-pod, did not suffer any injuries in the incident. The self-balancing S-pod can ferry people around enclosed campuses like airports.